Hey guys, welcome back to my tiny little kitchen. Guys, today I want some cookies, but I'm also making cookies because my grandson is coming over this weekend. So guys, what I'm going to do, since I forgot to take out my butter earlier, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this butter in the microwave. I am not going to completely melt it. I just want to try to bring it to room temperature. I will be doing that maybe like 10 seconds at a time. I just don't want it to melt. And then we're going to take it from there, guys. All right, guys. We managed that. So we're going to put it in the mixer. To that, you're going to, mix it first. And then you're going to add 2 eggs, okay? You want to mix it first to get it all loosened up. Let's add our 2 eggs. Then make sure that your eggs also are at room temperature. Mix. I don't know if I mentioned I'm making oatmeal cookies. Okay, so start writing it down. 2 sticks of butter. I use unsalted. 2 eggs. Those two are room temperature. Mix together. You're going to need 1 cup of brown sugar packed and 1 cup of granulated sugar. Mix together well. Make sure you scrape the bowl so nothing sticks to the bowl. So I will be doing that now. Okay, that's coming. We're gonna mix it until it comes out, until it gets like nice and fluffy. Okay. It's coming along very nicely. I'm gonna spread the bowl one more time. And remember, I'm using my whisk now, but then I will be switching my whisk to the paddle, or the hook. But the hook is more for like when you make dough. So most likely I will be switching it to the paddle. Yeah, let me switch that. I'm gonna switch it now because I think it's pretty mixed. So we're going to do that. Actually, no, I need it still. Guys, I haven't made oatmeal cookies in years. So I had to double look at my recipe. So, yep. Okay, to that you're going to add your, okay, where are my glasses? I mixed my glasses. To there, you're going to add your 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Mix together. So I'm going to use the whisk because I actually wanted to mix through. It smells so good, guys. I love cinnamon. Now to that, you're going to add your vanilla. You're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla of your choice. Okay. So now, just to make sure that everything is mixed together. I will mix that again. And I'm mixing it on high, okay, guys? Because you want it to mix really good. Meanwhile, have your oven preheated at 375 degrees. Okay. Oh. Okay. Now I'm going to switch the thing, and I will add the pattern. Okay. You're going to add your flour. It is 2 cups of all-purpose flour, but if you cannot have gluten, you could have gluten-free flour, so it still works the same. I just added 2 cups. I will mix that. I will start low. Get that combined really good. And these ones are going to be soft, chewy cookies. Guys, scrape your bowl. Okay, I scraped my bowl. You got it. You're going to add 3 cups of oats. You could have the oatmeal of your choice. So I will add 2 right now, and then I will add the third one once I mix it. I will start on low. the third cup. And the third cup. I want it to be a little bit stiffer, so I think I'm going to add a little bit, maybe about a quarter of a cup of flour. But meanwhile, let me scrape my bowl and make sure because everything goes to the side. So guys, I don't want the video to be too long. So I should post you guys right there. Well, I may not. Nah, I may not. Let's see. At this time, you could either add the recipe. I have always, when my kids were little, I have always made them with chocolate chips and raisin. But I don't have any chocolate chips. I barely use chocolate chips to cook anything. So I'm going to add walnuts. And I only have a little tiny box of raisins, so I'm going to add it in there. All right. You could add cranberries. You could add anything that you really like. Honest. So since it's getting a little bit hard, so what I'm going to do, I am actually going to use the hook because I want this to mix really, really good. So actually this looks good, so I don't think I need to add anything. Nope, I don't need to add anything. I'm just going to let it mix there, and then I just don't remember how many cookies we're going to get. So I'm going to scrape the bowl a little bit more. I'm going to let it mix for another 3 minutes, and then I'll bring you guys back. All right, guys, what I did was I added a quarter of a cup of oatmeal extra because I only had a little bit left. It was not even a half, so I just added in there, and that gave it the right consistency. I'm making 8 this size because I forgot how much the spread, so I don't want it. I usually bake 3, but I don't want to do that because I don't know how much these ones are going to spread. So you're going to bake this from 10 to 12 minutes. You're going to keep an eye on them because you don't want it to get dark because they'll burn on the bottom. So, well, there you go. First batch goes into the oven. I'm going to set my other. See, I don't like using this tray because that tray that I have is a different tray than this one. This is from the Dollar Tree, and when I bake cookies here, they get too dark underneath. But I don't want to keep waiting. I need to go and buy me another tray. So I just keep an eye on this because I'm telling you guys, this tray right here is horrible. It's horrible. And if you bake something and you think you're burning it because you got the temperature wrong, no. If you use this tray from the Dollar Tree, whatever you have will burn on you. So keep an eye on it, guys. So when the first batch comes out, I'll bring you guys back and I'll show you what it looks like. No matter how they come out. Like I said, I haven't done them in like maybe 9-10 years. So, all right, guys, here we are. I actually passed the time a few minutes longer than it asked for. So this one been in here for like 15 minutes. So I want to check. They do spread, as you guys can see. I mean, it's not like really big spread, but they do spread. Like I told you guys, I haven't made this in such a long time. I just want to see the bottom. I don't want it to be, I want it to be a little bit brown, but not dark. I think these ones are good. Motivating. Let me see. Really good. Don't you start barking. It's hot. They're kind of light. So since I already touched this one, I'm gonna leave this one out. That's gonna be my taste test. And I'm gonna put this one maybe for another 5 minutes. So guys, I know this cookie is really hot, but we have to try it. Oh my goodness. I'm about to grab me a glass of milk. I will leave the recipe in the description box below. So you guys want to try it, by all means. So I'm going to leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Sorry guys. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. It will be until the next one. Bye bye guys.